How to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of view. Once you're in the U page, at the top right corner, you're going to find two icons. Click on this headphone kind of icon. With that, you're going to land to the support page. Now head over to the option of contact us. Now from here, you can easily contact to Temu customer service. Over here, you're going to find the message box. Type in remove minimum purchase limit and then send it. With that, you're going to get the reply from it. Again, type in I want to remove minimum purchase limit and then send it. Now I can have the conversation with Temu customer service and request them to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. And with that, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.